Scalene triangle. A triangle with all sides different lengths. A scalene triangle is a triangle with all three of its side lengths unique. A triangle is a shape lying in a plane with three sides and therefore three angles. All triangles, no matter what the length of the three sides, has the sum of the three angles always adding up to 180 degrees. There are many different types of triangles. A right triangle is a triangle with one 90-degree or right angle. An acute triangle is a triangle with all three angles less than 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle is a triangle with one of its angles greater than 90 degrees. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal length sides and therefore equal measure base angles. The base of an isosceles triangle is the third side that is not an equal length to the two equal length sides. An equilateral triangle is a triangle with all three sides the same length. A scalene triangle is a triangle with all three sides of different lengths. Related words: acute triangle, obtuse triangle, right triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle.